Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to view the test execution report. This video is about whenever you are running any test case, what the status of that test case is, whether it has failed or passed, and exactly at which step the test case execution has failed. If it has passed, the test data taken by that particular step can be viewed in Excel format. For example, in this test case, Global HR, you can see that you have already executed it. Whatever test case you have executed on the instance, you can view all those test case results at the bottom of the page on the dashboard, where it shows recent run test execution. The overall status of the test case execution can be viewed in the status column. For example, if this global HR promotion test has failed, there are two options. View the video, where you can watch the live execution. Download the Excel report by clicking on it. Once downloaded, when you open this Excel report, you can view the result and overall status, the name of the test case, the test status, which indicates whether the test case has passed or failed. If the overall status is fail, it means that at least one step has failed. In the report, you can also view the exact component being executed, the test steps for that component, action details, showing exactly which action was performed, the test data used, such as the username and password in the login component. If all components are marked as passed, the test case is successful. However, if the last component, such as direct repo, shows a failure, you can check the reason for the failure. To pinpoint the exact step where the test case failed, you can click on the provided link. This will display an image highlighting the step where the failure occurred. Please note that you must log in with your credentials to access the test case results. This is how you can efficiently track whether a test case has passed or failed and identify the reason for any failure. We are providing these services. Thank you for watching our video.